Now look at this.
The next day,
Good morning, guys.
Here is what
Bip bip, pesanan atas nama.
Here is what extinct animals sounded like. The Phorestracos was a non-flying bird. They lived 25 million years ago, and here is how they sounded. The Cratoavis bird is extinct. Evidence of this bird was only recently discovered, so we don't know exactly when it went extinct. But here is how it sounded. Stegosauruses were gigantic dinosaurs. They lived around 165 million years ago, and here's how they sounded. Saber-toothed tigers were alive 10,000 years ago during the Ice Age. They were known for their incredibly sharp teeth, and here is how they sounded. Here is what extinct animals